Hey everybody, Cyclone here. Remember in the last video where we destroyed my cousin's Cadillac Escalade? Well, it ain't over yet, cousin. It ain't over if you're watching this video, which I hope you've watched the last one. It ain't over yet, dude. This time, guys, we're gonna destroy one of his prized possessions. He needs this thing for work. It's not gonna be a work truck anymore, buddy. That white truck right there is my cousin's work truck. He got a really big truck, because, I don't know, he just likes big trucks, I guess. Anyway, we're going to thrash the hell out of it. I do not have my 1993 GMC Sierra here with me today. In fact, what I got is my Chevy Kodiak. Yeah, the 87 Kodiak is here. And that's the tan truck right there. We're going to thrash the hell out of this car. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, we are back. I had to move the seat forward because he moves the seat all the way back. God, cousin, why do you have to move the seat all the way back? It's a bench seat, by the way. Anyway, here we go. Oh, that's amazing. It still starts. It isn't going to stay like that. Brake. First of all, let's see how much this thing can handle. Actually, first of all, before we get started, I want to rip off the, hang on, I'm going to get closer to the camera. First of all, I'm going to rip off the catalytic converter because that is good value. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to these mirrors might be good value. Let's rip that one off. Ooh. Okay, well I'm going to leave that aside because that's good value. And it just went into the dirt. Okay, let's rip off this mirror since it's good value as well. Alright. Alright, got a good catalytic converter. Okay. Ooh, I just dented in your door. Yeah, who cares? Well, your door is busted. Eh, who cares? I got the good parts out of it. Ooh, it sounds loud. I think you might need a new exhaust system, buddy. Oh, shoot. I don't even think you can hit that thing. Ooh. Oh, what did I hit? I think I hit a boulder, dude. Ooh, dented your front bumper. I hope you have insurance on that. Ooh. Well, there goes your headlight. I'm gonna do a jump, see how well it survives. Oh! Oh! That did not go so well. Ah, fuck. I just shut down the engine. All your windshield's busted, and your door is starting to fall apart. Well, Well, there goes my first accident. Oh, your hood is all fucked up, dude. Ooh, smashing it. Your truck bed still looks in good shape. Here, let me fix it up for you. Ooh. Oh. Okay, well, it's time to use my plow truck. We're gonna plow into this motherfucker. We're gonna plow it. Okay. I took off the front bumper so I don't damage anything. Let me give your bed a good detailing. Oh. Oh, okay. Your bumper looks a little screwed up. Let me fix it. Oh. How about I ram into it backwards? I think for my final showstopper, I'm gonna ram it off the cliff. Okay, let's go to the final showstopper. Oh. Oh. Oh, now that looks amazing. Well, let me do my final showstopper. I'll be right back. Now here's my final showstopper. Yeah, we're gonna launch a cannonball at your truck, dude. Here goes. Here goes another one. I think I should do one more. Yeah, I think one more should just about do it for me today. Yeah. Let's shoot one more cannonball at it. Here goes. Oh, now that looks horrible. Okay. Well, I'm gonna conclude it there. It's finished, dude. This is how your truck looks after all that thrashing. Yeah, it looks better than it did before. Yeah, it looks great. It doesn't even start anymore. And your gas tank is leaking, dude. I think you're gonna need a new tank. It's leaking out. So there's your truck, bro. This is probably, if you're gonna try and fix all this damage, it's probably gonna be a little over $30,000. Maybe it's gonna be more, because I did a lot of damage worth to your truck, dude. I hope your insurance doesn't get too pissed off with you. Later. Have fun fixing your truck, dude.